Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing the BIOSSANCE Squalane and Omega Repair Cream. Looks like this. BIOSSANCE kindly sent this over as part of PR, and I am not getting paid to share my thoughts and opinions with you all today. If you're new here, my name is Nadia and I'm a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you also love product reviews and hit that notification bell. I do upload every Sunday. BIOSSANCE describes this as an ultra moisturizing, best-selling face cream with biometric ceramides and lipids to instantly hydrate and improve skin barrier and moisture retention. You can find this at Sephora and biossance.com. A full-size unit like this retails for $60, and there is also a jumbo size available that retails for $120. I will link this unit for you down below. BIOSSANCE suggests that you apply this evenly to cleansed face and neck. You may use this both morning and evening, and if used during the day, make sure you follow it with your favorite SPF. This is a luxurious whipped textured formula that contains shea butter, ceramides, omegas, squalane, and hyaluronic acid, just to name a few, to visibly plump and support hydration. Ceramide NP is naturally found in your skin, and it helps to reinforce the skin's barrier strength. This ceramide keeps skin supple and hydrated. Squalane is an antioxidant that hydrates and has some anti-aging properties. It helps prevent moisture loss. It is lightweight and non-greasy. Omega fatty acids 3, 6, and 9, linoleic, and oleic acids soothe, calm, plump, and restore skin. So let's chat about my experience with this moisturizer. I first began using this on March 7th. I found this moisturizer to instantly be cooling and soothing and refreshing to the skin. Very unique, I would say, experience when compared with other moisturizers that I have reviewed. I loved that this spreads easily and evenly over the skin, and it did not and has not yet felt sticky. I also found it to be lightweight and moisturizing. The more I used it, however, the less I found it to moisturize my skin. I will note, reintroduce tretinoin to my skin, only using it once per week. Sandwich method, of course, using this moisturizer. The night after using Tret, I found myself using the Drunk Elephant Marula face oil to add, antioxidants and moisture, and skin felt better the next day, and it felt so much better. Week 3 of testing, the night after using Tret, I found myself using the Paula's Choice Hydrating Treatment Mask. I will link that up above for you. After applying a very generous layer of this moisturizer, I then added 4 drops of the Drunk Elephant Virgin Marula face oil because I needed the moisturizer. And I will say, it has been a little dry here. It's now spring, and we're having like really nice sunny temperature in the 70s, so I do imagine that the air is just a little bit dry, hence my dry hands. So I will say the air has also been quite dry. I am going to compare this to the last nighttime moisturizer I was using before I started this, and that is the Skin Barrier Triple Lipid Peptide Cream. I will link my review to that up above. I knew that I wanted to test this as soon as I got it in the mail, but I was just so in love with the Barrier Triple Lipid Repair Cream that I put it off as much as I could. And now, here we are. The claims between both moisturizers are similar. Repairs skin's moisture barrier, hydrates skin, firmer, plumper skin. Both units, of course, contain shea butter, jojoba esters, and squalane, just to name a few. The Skinfix unit, I will say, does contain more ceramides and more peptides that are, of course, hydrators, anti-agers, and it just offers the skin a lot more. And it also moisturizes the skin a lot more. So when I use tretinoin, I tend to get, you know, some redness, some irritation, some flaking, and the Skinfix unit, I personally feels repairs and heals the skin more effectively due to its more well-rounded and moisturizing formula. Overall results, so this soothed and it definitely plumped my skin. I could feel my skin just soaking all of this up, and I just wish that it had been just a little bit more moisturizing, or a lot of bit moisturizing actually, on my normal skin, because I do love the way that this blends and feels over the skin. It's not sticky, and you know, as I am talking to you right now, I think I just need to give this a go more so during like warmer months. So, you know, I will just stop using this because it's not doing what I need it to do. But I will hopefully revisit this in the summer months. And hopefully I will update you all in the bottom bar, or perhaps do a pinned comment. So check that if you're here in the future. So I primarily used this with the BIOSSANCE Copper Peptide Rapid Plumping and Hydrating Serum. I will link my review to that up above. I also used it alongside FARMACY products, as well as the Drunk Elephant Marula oil, and I will say that this performed very well with other ranges. I did not use this during the day because I have been, of course, loving the Paula's Choice Pro Collagen Peptide Plumping Moisturizer. I will link my review to that up above. I am wearing it right now under makeup, and it's literally 8:30, so there is no sun, so I did not apply any sunscreen, and I will say that it does feel really nice under makeup. I was afraid that it was going to make me look too oily. I will say that I did apply some translucent setting powder, but I do feel like it's just too rich of a formula for me to wear under makeup during the day, which is why I preferred to use this at night. So I don't think that it would personally work on my skin during the day. If I were drier, perhaps it would, but I don't think it would be my favorite during the day. So my favorite way to use this was, of course, after cleansing with my Benefit Cleansing Oil. I would then use the Drunk Elephant Marula Facial Cleanser, go in with a couple layers of the Pharmacy Essence, apply my favorite eye products, apply the BIOSSANCE Hydrating Serum while the skin is still damp. I love that serum actually. And then I would apply a very generous amount of this moisturizer. And then I would follow it with 4 drops of the Drunk Elephant Virgin Marula Oil. I would recommend this to anyone with normal and combo skin, dealing with fine lines, wrinkles, loss of firmness and elasticity with minimal dryness. I think you will enjoy this, but dry to very dry, chapped skin may want to look elsewhere. My pros, this is fast absorbing. It does have a really lightweight texture. It blends like a dream. Eczema friendly and suitable for sensitive skin. It does have a soothing, cooling effect on my skin, which I think perhaps some of you who have tried this or will try this may experience as well. And I do love that there are no drying alcohols, essential oils, or fragrance within this formula. My con here is that this personally felt like too lightweight of a cream for me. Again, I was used to using the Skinfix Moisturizer, so this was a bit of a letdown. And I have been using Tret, so my skin is just a little bit drier than it normally would. So I do think for sure that I will revisit this during summer months and give you all an update. There are a number of things that I like about this. Of course, it's lightweight, blends easily, effortlessly, and it has a soothing effect on my skin. But sadly, I personally felt like it did not moisturize my skin enough. So I am deducting a few points for that. I feel like I need to bring reinforcements for this to fully bring comfort to my skin, not just well after that initial application, because when I initially apply this, it feels great. But I feel like as the night progresses, my skin just needs more. And that is why I had to add the reinforcement. So I enjoyed the serum so much more than I did the moisturizer, sadly. So I am definitely bummed about that. So I am rating this a 7 out of 10. So let me know if you have used this product by BIOSSANCE in the comments down below. What's your skin type? What were your results? And would you recommend this to others? Let us discuss in the comments down below. I will say that I do definitely prefer the Skinfix formula. It is a bit of a richer cream, but the formula, the ingredients, I feel like they are just more well-rounded. And exactly what my aging skin needs in a moisturizer. I feel that perhaps someone in their late 20s, early 30s may enjoy this a little bit more. But if you are looking for a formula with more anti-aging ingredients, Skinfix is it. That is all I have for you all today. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. Like the video if you learned something new, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!